That's the bathroom area. You gotta take a leak if you're a little girl. You're gonna need some toilet paper to dab your gash. Oh man. That's my 12-year-old Akita boy. Doing pretty good on his hips though. I think he had his breeders are good. They've been doing it for a long time. And his mommy and daddy must have been pretty good dogs. He was loyal, smart, just aggressive enough, just docile enough. He was a good dog. Strong, agile. Anyways, today's kind of a summery feeling day, isn't it? Memorial Day starts the summer on Memorial Day. All right. They almost got leaves on them. The birch trees are doing good. Anyways, it's before the sticker bushes come. Enjoy it while it lasts. Because those big leaves are coming out. The skeeters will be here soon. So I had a bad day yesterday. Things are stressing me out at work. So I made contact with my old roommate, a really good friend of mine, and that made me feel better. A little familiarity. And he was a fun friend to have. I mean, we're still friends, but I mean, like, to be around. Because he wasn't, like, slow or anything. You know, we were kind of aggressive senses of humor. We both kind of came from places where we didn't really get born with the most respect given to us, so we had to build ourselves on what we were. So just kind of like a camaraderie thing. The type of brother that's like the same as you, you know, kind of, I don't know, everybody's different, but we click good. And there was a spot. We used to ride our bicycles every day. Mountain bikes. We like to ride mountain bikes. I grew up in Alaska, so I mean, I was skateboarding a little bit, but not like people that had access to places that they could do it a lot, or maybe as transportation when you're young. I don't know. Wasn't really good for that. Here in Anchorage, or in the valley even more so. But here in Anchorage, you couldn't. Come on, good girl. You couldn't skateboard to school or, you know, to the mall. If you did, you might be carrying it a lot. So we rode bikes. I remember, this is a little side note, but I remember when I was young and I would just started riding like dirt bike, not like motorcycles, but like BMX bikes. And we went and visited somebody that lived out in the woods next to a river, and there was this awesome bike trail next to it. And they were really, the person we were visiting, their kid, his name was Wyatt, and he was into bicycles. And so, bring your bike and we could ride bikes together. Okay. So we're riding along on the thing, and he's telling me about a new bike that people are getting, and they're like lots and lots of money. And I'm like, wow, I don't even really, at this age, I didn't care about money at all. I didn't really even see the value in money. I was raised outside like this, you know? Well, I guess everybody was at my age, but mountain bikes just came out. We all had, I remember thinking about 10 speeds. Nobody knew what a mountain bike was. It was a mountain bike that you could ride like a dirt bike, like a kid's dirt bike. It was really like an adult's bike. When you were a kid, a 10 speed was just too fucking big. So that was an adult's bike. So this is just a big fucking bike. Side note, that's a sidebar over. Oh, well, one more. There's like a cruiser thing. That's kind of cool. It's like a giant BMX bike. And I guess we go this way now. This is our walk now. Give that ptarmigan some space. Anyways, I don't know why. I think it was to kind of try to be cool for this guy, you know. But I had another really good friend, and we were going somewhere. And just out of the blue, I think it was to prove that I was a badass or something, or I didn't give a shit. But we saw this, it looked like a kid's bike at a bar, and it was just laying up against the door there, and I'm like, man, it was like the morning. I said, what kind of alcoholic rides their kid's bike to the bar? And it kind of gave me flashbacks of like when I was a kid. So many times. Where are we going, Mom? Well, we have to go get the car. Where's the car? It's at the bar. What happened to it? It wouldn't start. Oh, darn it. So I thought, growing up, I thought we had a really shitty car. So I stole it. I had him pull his car over, and I'm like, go down there and come pick me up. Or I'll be there and you can pick me up. Ride it up there and we'll throw it in the back and we'll get out of here. So I did it. I had that bike for a long time. It was a cruiser. Look, there's a mooser. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Go, Roo, come on. Good boy. The moose is like, they didn't chase me. My mama said, if you see somebody in the woods, you gotta run away. But I didn't run away, I was scared. And they didn't chase me. So why does Mama want me to run away? Mama say it isn't so. Why you want me to run, Mama? Yeah, had that bike for a long time. I've had a lot of bikes stolen from me. So I don't know. I was just seeing what it was like on the other side, and it's exciting. It's exciting to steal a bike. When I was a kid, we stole a skateboard from a kid and kind of just basically took it. We didn't hurt him or anything, but we got in trouble for that, and I'm glad we did, because that was pretty lame. I don't know. We learn lessons as we go through our life. Hopefully, need to learn the obvious ones, like the really bad ones. Even though you can't really imagine what it would be like to kill somebody, could you? I mean, why would you kill somebody? It wouldn't just be for kicks and giggles, would it? That's kind of gross. Most people can't even like cut up animals and things, I work in a kitchen and nobody wants to cut the chicken. It's slimy and gross, and these things that are inside our bodies, the meat and stuff, the skins and things, it irritates your skin. It's weird. Like if you cut chicken for an hour and a half, 2 hours straight, your hands will have like pieces of chicken embedded in them. It's like the meat becomes like one with itself, one with you. Let's go up here. Come on. I've never gone this way. Where's the dog? Oh, dog, where are you at? Come on, man. Over here, there's a trail. Come on. Is that too steep? Good boy. Come on. Come on, I'm gonna help. All right, come on. Good boy. Let's go. It's a steep hill. Anyways, I guess I should get to the point. It was nice talking with him. We didn't talk. It was text. But, I don't know. Texts are easy. You can do something else. bark off of it. Hey, this way. Come on, can you go this way? This way. Oh. Well, they know. I was worried about if this person, like I said in the beginning, is somebody that I respect their intellect. And they were into history and things. It's just funny to be able to look back and we were both sitting on the couch getting stoned, like we always do, getting ready to go on a bike ride where we ride our bikes some ungodly amount where most people would drive their car just so that we could go to a special spot and smoke another bowl. Do some pretend tricks or tricks at a park in front of the girls. You know, that was us. Anyways, Bill Nye the Science Guy would come on, and here's something happened here. And so we'd like to watch the science stuff and learn something while we were getting high. We just thought that was so cool. Like, instead of school, it was TV and you could get high while you're doing it. So anyways, Bill Nye is saying that the boats go over the curve, and I don't exactly remember the story, the way we received it, but it was funny. Something I always remembered, because the earth is flat. It's not a ball, and there's no curve. Come on, you guys. It smells that good, huh? There's like hair everywhere. Supposedly the moose are pregnant. Moose hair everywhere, but I don't see any carcass or anything. If they got ate, there'd be bones. There would be bones. Sounds like a pirate thing. There'll be bones. I don't really watch TV, but like a wide variety of TV, but I'll get like a show and I'll watch the show, you know. I don't need that many. Come on. That made a distraction. Come here, please. You're going all the wrong ways. Come on. But then you watch all of it and you're like, I want something new. I don't really, maybe the whole thing is just this way. And I was never into it after I was a kid. walk better? Suddenly, it seemed like all the pirate shows. Yeah, I feel stupid just saying pirate. We're gay. They were like, the pirates were always gay. Is that the way it was in history? Probably. Oh shit, here come the gay pirates. That's why they're like, what are you, a butt pirate? Oh no, the booty. That's where it all came from? Pirate booty? His boy butt? Arr. They get that peg leg. They'd be shoving it up people's asses. Their boyfriend's asses. Arr, you get the peg leg. What's the parrot mean? Parrot's gotta be something. Penis on their shoulder. Talking dick on their shoulder. Parrots always were a dick, weren't they? Ah! Make them more complain. You know, like, shut up, fucking parrot. What'd I do to you? Ah! I'm complain. Gay pirates. He's not good at going downhill. I didn't want to show you guys. I'm not here to embarrass the dog. Come on, bud. Look at this. They used to have fucking crappy ass things. A pole and a chain welded to the pole. Come on, bro. You gotta walk in the road, huh? Only to here. Yeah, he knew it was. I don't know. He's talking to me about the Bible. That never seemed like something he'd say. I hope it's not that. I don't think it is. Because I was asking him what life's about. What are we supposed to be doing here? And he said nothing. I kind of agree. If you were supposed to be doing something, I mean, wouldn't it be obvious? Maybe not. Maybe it's not obvious because they can't just tell you to do it. It's like, you know, you never say thank you. And so then they say thank you every time. But you can just tell that they don't mean it. They're just saying it because they're nice to you. Why are they nice to you? Because they want something from you? That's why I'd be nice to somebody else, isn't it? You say, well, that's not fair. That's mean. Sweet, you do it. You're nice to me just because you don't want anything. Maybe people just don't understand. It's like banking it. People understand that. How do people pretend like they don't understand these everyday things that I know that they feel too? Do they think they can trick me into thinking that they don't want things for themselves? I'm not a selfish person. I don't want things for myself. You don't. Well, that's great. What's the point in telling me? Oh, does it make you feel good? Make you feel like you're doing it right? Everybody else is doing it wrong, but you're doing it right. There you go. I just showed you how you're doing it for yourself, you fucking moron. So, there you go. You're here for yourself. What can you get out of it? What do you get out of it? When we hung out every day, rode bikes and shared the burden of buying weed. We worked at the same place and had each other's backs on any kind of conversation that other people might have about us. So it's like you're a promoter. All those things that you do for other people, it's to strengthen your spot. You could try to tell me that it's not that way, but it is. It's that way.